I would still push for transparency.
国家主席习近平将
Kung manalo si VP Sara sa 2028, will there still be a Rear Admiral Tariela in PCG?
Alam mo, para sa akin, siguro I would choose to hang my uniform. No? I can never allow myself to be part of the organization or an institution or the government who would choose not to tell the Filipino people what's really happening.
Kayong mga Pilipino nakikinig ngayon, boundary lang, tubig lang naman, hayaan mo yan. Insist on Philippines, Whisper Quincy. Karami ng dagat natin, di ibigay na lang. Sige, iyon na yan.
Nakiusap din umano
Hindi ko masisigmura na part ako ng Coast Guard na alam ko na may mga islang Pilipino na hinaharas na water cannon. Na ang Philippine Coast Guard ay binubuli ng mga Chinese Coast Guard. Para ang hindi ko kayang sigmurain yan. And if I would still choose to, expose this kind of activities, I would choose to go to the private sector. Baka maging vlogger na nga lang din ako, di ba? Sabi ni Senator Alan Peter. Para sa akin, kung meron tayong presidenteng ganyan, I will choose to leave the uniform service. And in a different capacity.
福州菲律宾 Tashir Huang Xilian